If your PC is crashing, freezing, or stuck in a boot loop, Windows 11 Safe Mode is one of the most reliable ways to diagnose the problem. In this video, I'll show you what Safe Mode is, when to use it, and how to access every Safe Mode option. I'm Jerry Rawlick and this is Wandering Through Windows. Safe Mode is a special startup mode that loads only the essential files, drivers, and Windows services needed for the operating system to function. Unlike a normal startup, it temporarily disables most third-party software, startup applications, and optional drivers. By simplifying the Windows environment, Safe Mode makes it much easier to determine whether a problem is caused by Windows itself or by recently installed software drivers or updates. Safe Mode should be used whenever Windows becomes unstable or refuses to start normally. It's especially useful after installing a faulty driver, a problematic Windows update, or software that causes repeated crashes. It's also an excellent environment for removing malware, uninstalling troublesome programs, running system restore, or repairing Windows using built-in tools like System File Checker. Windows 11 offers 3 Safe Mode options. Standard Safe Mode loads only the core Windows components and is the best choice for most troubleshooting situations. Safe Mode with networking adds internet access, allowing you to download drivers, antivirus software, or search for solutions online. Finally, Safe Mode with command prompt replaces the desktop with a command line interface designed for advanced repairs and administrative tools. There are several ways to access Safe Mode in Windows 11. If Windows still boots normally, the easiest method is through Settings by selecting System, then Recovery, and choosing Advanced Startup. After your computer restarts, select Troubleshoot, Advanced Options, Startup Settings, and finally restart again. You can then press 4 for Safe Mode, 5 for Safe Mode with networking, or 6 for Safe Mode with command prompt. If your PC is unstable, holding the Shift key while selecting Restart from the Start menu gives quick access to Safe Mode. Advanced users can also use the System Configuration utility by typing msconfig into the Run dialog box and enable Safe Mode under the Boot tab. This is a good option if you need to reboot into Safe Mode multiple times. If Windows won't run at all, interrupt the boot process by powering on and then forcing a shutdown several times to launch automatic repair. This will give access to the same recovery tools. For most troubleshooting situations, Standard Safe Mode is the best place to begin because it removes the greatest number of potential software conflicts. Only use Safe Mode with networking if you need internet access, and reserve command prompt mode for advanced repair tasks. Once you fix the problem, simply restart your computer and return to normal Windows operations. Safe Mode is one of the most powerful troubleshooting tools in Windows 11. Whether you're fixing crashes, removing malware, or repairing corrupted files, Safe Mode gives you a clean environment to work in. Thanks for joining me, and tune in again when we do another Wander Through Windows. Don't forget to check out the next video above, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Bye for now.